Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to switch your Binance entity account to a personal account step by step. First, open the Binance app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on your profile picture or name again to enter your full account settings. From here, look for the security option. It's usually the second one from the top and tap on it. Now you'll be taken to the security settings. Scroll down until you see the option called Manage Account. Tap on that. Inside this menu, you'll find a button labeled Disable Account. Tap on it. If your Binance account is currently set as an entity account, you'll now see an additional option labeled Entity Account. You'll need to tap on that and proceed through the steps to disable it. Once disabled, your account will automatically switch back to a personal account. If you don't see the entity account option, that means your account is already personal or the entity status hasn't been enabled. If this helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical crypto guides.